Man, this is about not quite golf ball size hail coming down. Maybe about the size of a quarter, some bigger. You can see them, it's starting to cover my yard. It looks like summer, it looks like wintertime snowing. I've got trees down. I don't know what it's doing to my roof. But I mean, hail that size can do some real damage. Look at that. I mean, look at it bouncing off that. Covered my patio here. My deck. Heavy rain. The wind, a lot of it's subsided now. You can see out across there, the pond is just covered with hail. It's almost like a snowfall. Look at that, where it's banked up, where it's blowing against the edge of the patio. Walking in it right now. See the size of that hail there? Look at all my roof there. Just bouncing off of everything. Still coming down. Chris's car, his truck is out in it, but I think ours is closed up. Man. Look at that hail. You hear that thunder? Covered. That's my step. See, it's part of a tree down over there.